providing instructions, si Sir La. Sir is? Sir Rex. Sir Rex na provide directions sa ilaha. Okay? I think the other rest of the group also did the same thing later on. Si group, ano yung group yung one? Group 3. Si group 3 po, they stuck with one person the rest of the time. Okay? A major difference in group 1 amongst the entire group was that si group 1 leader or providing instruction, he was in front of the person. So, isa tayo yung sa group 1. Isa ko pa sa group 1. Kasi, balik ko kay ma'am. Ma'am, kung sa'yo benefit that ang imuhang instructor, si Sir, nadali ka na kalabaw, sa manimuhang benefit na nakita at ginihimo niya.
Ginasunod lang yung voice, sir. Ang instruction, dali nyo
naman sa sunod.
Mula sa pagbabaran.
So, are you getting the entire message? The guide was not just telling the person on the side sa dalunggan, dili. Ang ginahimo ni Sir ganina Resinina was, kung nasa tubangan niya ang iyahang kinatudluan, pinapasulod niya sa iyong voice. Okay? So, if you notice, ako nakataitanan, buwan ito mahulog sa iyong feeding sa linya. At kailangan ito na lang yung mga uban ninyo. So, if you think about it, the reality is that, mga isang utang na lang ninyo, our brains can easily be confused.
Dali radyo.
Diba kinalaw balansin? Technically, diba kinalaw balansin naman, flat money. Pero, it got stuck in your head na, dili, mahulog ka.
Mahulog ka sa kuwan.
So, if you notice yung mga kauban kanina, wala kasi sila ganun. Natumpahon. Okay? So, it was easier to follow the voice rather than just listen to the voice. Tama? Do you agree? Diba? Pwede lang ako statement na, it was easier for a person to follow the voice instead of just following the instruction. In sales, it's the same thing. Mas makatun ka if you have a leader or unit manager mo that I will show you how it's done, and then later on, you show me how it's done. Tama ba? Sige, matanan ako, be. Amongst everybody, isa sa inyo din na close na still, taas ka mo. Na-close na. Taas ka mo, na-close. Ay, say now you loud. Taas ka mo, I want to see the hands. You, alright. Sige, so, for the rest of you, wala pa na-close, hindi pasabot mga ko. Ang possible niya, duha. Number 1, you had the wrong prospect na yun. I'd say this up front. Mali mo prospect, mali yung i-appointment, mali daan na. So, kung siyempre ka mula pag-ana, you go back to your unit manager, you talk to that person, seek help. Pamutan na ka, kung saan na ako, na magamit na ako, kung saan ko akong prospects, hindi masayang oras. Remember, kung gastuhan din mo ang imong kliyente, na mo palit, hindi mo palit, pareho na kape. Tama ba? Where do you normally meet your clients? Online ang uban. Ang uban, meet them asa? Sa site na. Ang kanang one-to site, medyo iula dyan tayo na if you think about it. Pero ang first effort mo normally, hindi na siya site magkikita sa iyo. So magkita ko na. Coffee shop pa naman. That means makapihon ko ni mo sir. Ma'am, no? So, gastuhan ko ni mong kape. Okay. I'll give you a few tips when you meet clients outside. Okay? Ayaw din mo ingon sila, makakapagkita. Taguan na, they'll pick a place that you will have to pay for it. Okay na ba? Kung mahimo, ako i-suggest sa location, papiliya siya duha. Hello?
Hi.
Ano man, you make it appear that I'm telling the person to pick either of the two, your choice will be the one I will choose. Ayun na, ikaw sir, ikaw mamahat na magkita, patay ka na. Eh, basit at on kaniya ana sa asa. Pagtami. Pagtami. Tama na? Diba? Yeah. Never act. Ako to sige pagtami. Say mo ni mo. What do you want to order? Patay ka niya. Patay. Pag-iwan niya, katong wag yung cubes. Katul lang yung ulo, hindi pa na katul. Okay? My suggestion is this one. Number one, pick two places that you can afford. That one, pick two. Ano man? Sample na, sabi lang yung coffee case day. Kung ano kung ikos brew naman eh.
The green coffee.
Green coffee or coffee body. Okay. So, if you think green coffee or coffee body fits your budget, then you do this. Client, can we meet either sa green coffee or coffee body? So, para na kliyente mo, we'll have to only pick from them the two. Tama? Isa mo nga, ay, saan ako, bigpat kami. It will never happen. Why? Our brain always gets easily directed if you actually know how to use it. Are you getting what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Are you learning so far?
Yes.
Do not tell them, pick where, and meet you there. Patay dito rin. Okay. Now let's say, let's go to coffee body. Kung saan range sa kape dito? Kato mga cappuccino na yung mga latte. 100 lang ang range. Okay, sige. So, kung sino pinakamahal nito? Kasi pinakamahal. Mochaccino na pila. 140. Okay. Supposing, I will meet ma'am sa coffee body. Ang kwarta na ko, 300 lang. So, dala na. Dala na ma'am no, dala na. Okay. When you're there, you do not tell the client na what do you like? Na, promise. Makita na niya. So, you make a suggestion. Americano or cappuccino? Again, balik ko na ako.
Ikaw dyan mag-decide.
Normally, people will respond to your two choices. Ano ba? Nag-suggest man ka. So, when you do that, you're also limiting your 300 pesos. Diba? Payon siya nga, okay, ka na lang. Okay, sige, we'll have a cappuccino and Americano. Ay, napod na kailanay mo siya nga, ay, lumaki ka ng sandwich. Di ba na kliyente, no? Ang delikado, anak ng kailan ninyo. Kaya parang ngayon mo lang, grabe ka pilang. May bangil.
Wala pangbara.
Diba? Uy, bangil, kapira. Pero kung hindi niya alam, usually ninyo mga kliyente ninyo may kabo, kato inyong i-order mo na to. That's it. Okay. What am I teaching you karong panahon na? Ang tawag nila ana is the power of presupposition. Ito na ang word, presupposition. Kasi pasabot, you presuppose to the person what he or she thinks that she wants or he wants. Okay? If I knew this when I was younger, masarap sa puna uyab siguro. Ano ba? I would not ask the person, ganahan ka sa ako? What are the options niya na ito ba?
No or yes.
Oo.
Yes or no?
Hindi. Tama? So, 50-50 chance, I will fail. Do you agree?
Yes.
But what if I tell the person na talking to na ganahan di ko sa inyo ba? Uyab ta, gusto niyo mo karon o umanan? Lagi sa mga tao, ang option is sa karon or uma. Either way, uyab ninduha. Tama?
Outright.
Okay? Of course, I will not do that to a person na wala ganahin sa kuha. Nasabtan ko ninyo? In the same way, ayaw mag-prospect na ang palitaan na ilugan na naman. Di man tuldanan. Hello?
Yes.
Diba? Ang ipangitaan na kotse, dili balay. So, when you use presupposition, you make sure your prospect is already correct. How do you know that? Sige na, how do you know that? Itong mga close na sale, how do you know that? Pina-profile ni mo client. Okay? Question number 2, anong regions of Los Rayos? With 1.4 million, funny anak eh, technically ang 1.4 million hindi na high-end subdivision. Ano mo sa standard na niya sa pagdalo? Ha? Sa 1.4, it's still. Even 1.4, hindi na siya. Ang classification niya, kung alawin niyo mo sa property code, hindi na siya mahuhulog na high-end subdivision. Padog sa low-end, muna na ako ni mga presyo. Low-end to mid-cost ang gawas niya. Because a real high-end subdivision, nasa mga 5 to 7 billion ang padulong na presyo. And galing ko ba, wala ko diri sa Tagum area. So, if you're selling a 1.4, 1.2, 1.4 property to a, again, no offense to these individuals, to a promo girl sa Gaisano, minimum wage, thank you so much, sir. You're selling a 1.2, 1.4 million property to a minimum wage earner. Muna sa nan, mali ni mo prospect. Diba? For a minimum wage earner, priority ang mga sa ako. Iyan. Do you agree? Okay? So, I will not be able to cover everything in terms of prospecting sa inyo ha, but the reality is, kama tumihin mo nila din nga side, profiling is essential to an initial step towards closing a sale. Dili tungkol kayo, mag-lista ng pangalan, pwede na. Do you know where salespeople in the past get names sa mga kliyente nila? Directory. Tama. Ano man? Sa directory na ay pangalan, napag-gawin, phone number. Ang mga buwangon na ahente ito muna, tuong simenteryo. Pangalan, may ipangita ng nimo. Ano pangalan dito? Di ba? So if it's just plain names, it's easy to get names. Pero profile names, prospects, are more important than just names. Okay? Are we clear? Let's go back to the game. Sinitabo sa dula kanina. Katong mga, ang first time, ang first 5 frames, medyo challenging. Okay. So, kasagaran sa mga leaders, normally when they're leading people, the first time, medyo mag-isod, mga pa. Nabagkaya lang ko si Sir actually kanina, sa first part, medyo na-challenge siya sa look, kapag sa gilid. Eventually, he realized something. He realized that being in front of his who is guiding was easier. Was better. O sa lesson, learn from your process. Ano man, your process will enable you to get better. I will not say mistakes because each part of the process, you will still have to commit mistakes. You better learn the process. From the process, you correct. O sa inyo favorite, sa kabulong muluto, kabulong muluto, out muluto. Si ma'am, sa palain muluto direct, si ma'am, sa palain, si ma'am. Ako ba, makakaunugin mo?
Maluto.
Bukaan yung naon eh. Okay. Ma'am, favorite mo yung niluto, ma'am. Yan mo, pagkalang pagkakunin mo, mo yung masterpiece ko na, bisa mo piyong ko, sure ko. Saan pagkaon?
Pansit.
Saan pansit?
Gisado.
Pansit gisado. Alright. So, iyon si ma'am, itapad niya yung pasgisado sa uban pasgisado, mo stand out ko na yung pasgisado. Okay? Ma'am, question, ka recipe. First time we want, ano na direksyon? Ikapila na tanaw ni mo, malabano na ni mo?
Mga katulungan luto.
Katulong luto sa kanya nakuha. Sa lesson, you don't get it right the first time. What do? Do it again, remember the steps, remember the process, improve each way sa inyo ginahin mo. Because at the end, you will get results. Tama? Do you agree? Okay? So, with what we did kanina, the importance of bearing, balansin, hindi ka mahulog, hindi ka imbalance, is critical when you're doing things. The funny part, which is actually you felt, kamuta na naka-feelan na, di ba ka mahulog, pero feeling mo murang makapataga.
Mawala ng
Lagi ito kita pinagpinagpinag. Murang gusto doon na-stroke mo. Nalala na yung kamutin. As gusto na magpulmahon niya. Nag-gets ko ninyo? But at the end of it all, you were doing something that you were all familiar with. You've seen somebody else do it. And yet, it's for the first time, nag-listen ka. In fact, if you do it again next time, mas maayo na ka. Do you agree?
Yes.
Do you agree?
Yes.
So, take away for this activity, remember na the right voice is important to listen to. Pili agad na. Number 1. Number 2, isa pa. When you're listening to it, you follow through to it. Kaya naman, if you don't listen correctly, you'll end up also, even with the right leader, end up doing something wrong. Why? Because we failed to really listen. I'm sure you've heard of this. Ano mo sa Ginoo og duha ka dalugdan kumpara sa isa ka duha ka baba? So that you will listen more than you speak. Okay? And here's the other part. Facts don't facts may facts. Ang mga babae daw actually speaks about 30,000 words per day. Ang babae. Ang mga lalaki nasa mga 10,000 to 12,000 words per day. So winner nilaan ang mga babae. Okay? And as a married individual, as a married person, women are always right. They never go wrong.
Correct.
Correct.
Para wala mo.
Okay. So,
Diba?
30, last but not the least, do not also forget na naama kay skill set. Bakit palulaan? Ayaw kalimot that you can also do something using your own skills. As you rely on others, do not forget to also rely on yourself. Because confidence is not about the other person telling you that you're confident. It is you who are moving towards something in confidence. Klaro ba? Sabtan ko ninyo? So, today, in this activity, you remember those lessons. Alright? Are you ready for the next activity?
Yes.
May ko yung naluyang pag i-balansin ito. Okay. This time, I have a paper. This